If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. What's up, everybody? It's your boy JRE. We're gonna check out TXT Frost Official. What's poppin'? I'm here on chat. You know, with chat, Twitch. If you haven't followed me on Twitch, I don't know what you're doing, but if you have, you already know. Follow me on Discord as well. Command Discord, please. But TXT Frost, this is their B-side. Let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Let me take a sip of water. Oh. I'm kind of used to the big hit intro now, guys. To be honest. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's a beautiful. Yeah, those are not real butterflies. I know that for a fact. But it's pretty. Look at this food. Sorry, I am. Oh, man. I'm so shocked. I remember this now. It's been a minute since I checked this out. Like this song. God, one thing I just realized, they're just so tall and good looking. God damn it. Okay. Hey, boys be boys, let's go. Oh, what the fuck is happening there? Excuse my language. I'm reading the subs, by the way, if I'm quiet. Doggy, okay, we'll bring along the dog. Let's go, follow the dog. Oh, hell nah. See, first of all, it's a man in a black cloak. I'll say cult. He reading Harry Potter books, it seems like. Nah, or the Bible. We already see dolls in the background. Hell nah. Bro, is this connecting like BTS's theory with TXT now? See, after that, I would sit down maybe, but after the whole car's moving to you, I would have bounced. I forgot how this song went. Oh shit, the dog. Dog things were around the dog. Oh shit. Interesting imagery. Oh shit, his hands are like bloody. Or like, seems like they were bloody, right? Yeah, shit. Maybe he was like hanging there for a while. I don't know. Or getting pecked at by the crows. Let's go, Kai. Hell nah. So we in the Halloween spirit, seems like. Hell no. This man. Thanks for following, y'all. Whose hand, sir, is touching your back when there's no hand except in the reflection? That's some bullshit. Man, it's a firebender. Oh, hell no. You looking through a sphere and you see a... Who's riding the... Scariest part of the envious math. I feel that. Oh shit. That's kind of dope. Holy shit. Catching up to himself. Oh. What is happening, chat? Can someone explain me? It's been a minute since I... Bruh. Oh. This feels like a trailer to a movie. But the visuals, yeah, he definitely put some money on this. This man looked at the camera and winked. Did Kai just do that? Oh no, he already. Oh yeah, he did that. He already had his eye closed. Yeah, that's scary. Going to a portal, into a orange tent. Oh shit, he took the book. Wait. What?
Kimbap, bitch.
I want to start a mosh pit at their concert. You know your ass will get kicked out if you start a mosh pit at a fucking K-pop concert. Hello? Hold up. Yeah, also ENHYPEN has a new single coming out called Head Zone. If you guys are curious about it, pay attention to the lyrics. Just saying. Alright, TXT. Music video, always on point. He left me in a cliffhanger as well with this ish right here. Next up, TXT did that damn right. Damn skiddly diddly right. You know what I'm saying? If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. Mutual friend worked on this, named Peter. He's been fucking killing the game. He's been working on CL, ENHYPEN. I'm not sure if he produced or wrote. I'm not sure, but he's been killing the game. So I can't wait to check this out and give him his credit as well. ENHYPEN, Tamed-Dashed, let's get it, let's go. Put in the comments or in the chat who's your favorite, who's your bias, or you just like them as a whole. I do like Jay. Nikki too, but all of them are actually really good though. But in 3, 2, 1, let's go. What are they feeding him, bro? He just I don't know, bro. His dimples are just so, like, every time he smiles, you can just look at it. Such a good smile. Let's go, my guy. Wait, what did you say? Grotesque? Who you talking grotesque? Not you. He's beautiful and grotesque. I keep on forgetting they're still in their high school, like, K-pop phase. Like, you know, where, you know, every K-pop group wears that, like, the high school outfits and stuff. Bro, I mean, they're going to it. Before that, they weren't. They were like vampires, which is interesting. That, okay, let's go. Oh, Ice King, Ice Prince. Bro, this man is so big now. Let's go, rugby team. Oh yeah, Jake has a Cerritos jacket, which is so random. Yeah, you remember seeing that? Yeah. They are still vampires. But they're high school vampires. Oh! Oh, I like that dance. I think Hedgen will like that dance too, actually. Let me just continue down. I wonder who choreographed this. Ooh. Interesting. I like that. The part where, like, smooth. Damn. Wait, did they always have powers? Bruh. I must be tripping now. Oh, they're vampires still. Oh, okay. That looked like you guys said. Wait, what? Wait, why was he burning then? Was it because of the sun? Or... Wait, what? I expecting a dance cover view? Hell no. Wait, why is he burning? Why was he burning? Because they're outside right here, no? Yeah, he is a vampire, but aren't they like outside and shouldn't they be... They had powers from Drunken Days. You're right. Oh, Drunk Days is so good. Maybe a spell? Yeah. Maybe not typically. Yes, I can typical Dre if you've seen Drunk Days. Yeah. Thank you for the reminder, chat. That's why I love doing this reactions on Twitch. You guys can just correct me instantly. Ooh, look at that shot. You see him? Catch that ish. Dive. Alright. Usually you look messy while catching on sand. But he looks up like he's like nothing happened. Like, couldn't be me. Oh, they're wearing... Oh, look at their outfits. They're wearing skirts, right? That's a vibe. It's a vibe. I like the outfit. The MV's a time skip. Ah. Wait, when did this come out? October 12th. So amazed by Nikki's growth. I'm not gonna lie. I keep on saying that. I'm just... They transform now. They can walk in the sun. So it's basically showing from the past to now what they are. They're more developed as vampires, right? Does that make sense? Check their album. Maybe in another stream for sure. What's happening? Oh, they're embracing the sun now. Like they could go outside and everything, huh? Yeah, this is like older clothes. Now they're like... Oh, they getting wet? What the fuck? Let's go. I'm pretty sure there's a lot of dance covers for this already since it came out October 12th. Kinda curious about it now. Oh shit, did he get tackled? No. The old clothes represent the past. That's all I figured. Boom! This man got trucked. Pop! Welcome to rugby, y'all. I've never played rugby, but if you've seen a little bit of rugby, it's crazy. Oh, they doing the whole lay down. Oh. Interesting. Let's go. I'm so low in ENHYPEN right now. Yo. A lot of people are. Oh, wait. What? I didn't get the new album yet. But I've seen a friend of Hedgen showed me the album and what comes inside, and it looks pretty dope. Dark, the Blood Altar Moon. Oh, Dark Moon, the Blood Altar. God damn. Damn. Big Hit got some got some money for outros and intros. Look at this. What up? Well, shit, y'all. The album's good. But I'll check it out on my own time either, or I'll do it on stream for sure. Let's see. Nikki's a time traveler. It seems like that, yeah. The title looks like TXT. So yeah, exactly. Like I said, like it's similar, like epicness, but like that's money right there. You know what I'm saying? Big Hit got that. You know what I'm saying? And you know, once they get they're investing in their own other groups too. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.
Hey, you better subscribe.